Hello. Today I'm going to show you about a setting in Schoology. It's in the Schoology gradebook, and it is causing a little bit of grief with parents that are looking at their students' accounts and seeing that it appears that they are missing an assignment, that an assignment is due, they haven't turned it in, and it is all about this little setting about submissions. And after talking to several parents and viewing the grade books, they did a little training for us about how to disable the submissions for assignments. And that way, if it takes you a little bit longer to grade it than what you anticipate, it doesn't show to the student and the parents that there's something due of them. So I'm going to go into a course, and I'll go into gradebook. And you have to disable this button every time you create an assignment that you don't want the student to actually submit something to you. Okay, so I'm going to add a new assignment. And I'm just going to call this Chapter 10 Test. And due date. Category is a test. And then here is where you want to see this little folder. It looks like a file folder with a green arrow pointing down. And if you look at it now, it says Submissions Enabled. And if you click on it, it will go gray. And it says Submissions Disabled. And you want to make sure that for all of the assignments, things like tests, anything that you're going to do in class and actually take a paper from them, or if you're using Google Classroom as well, and they're going to send something to you or turn something into you, and it's not through the Schoology app, then you want it to be submissions disabled. And then you go to create, just like you normally would, and then there is nothing showing that the student still has to send to you. Okay? Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you.